Hi, my name is Catherine Nguyen with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about replacing computers, laptops and desktops. From time to time, it is time to do this. And so what are some of the steps and what can you expect if we're helping manage those computers for you? So there might be some specific things on a computer that's being replaced. So maybe there's some specific software that runs on there or specific data, probably some settings. In our case, we have one computer that has some security door software that has to run on a local laptop. And so that computer is taken care of in that way. And when we replace it, we'll have to move that program. So that's an example. Also, we would recommend leaving the old computer on our managed services offering. That's with the security patches, antivirus EDR, things like that. So we usually let that bake in for about 30 days or so, make sure that the person with the new replacement computer has everything on it they need and that we've truly taken everything off the old. So now what? All right, so if that old computer is going to be redeployed to someone else, you definitely want to leave it on the managed services until you're ready to assign it to someone else. It'll stay up to date, all the patches will be up to date, and it'll be relatively simple and fairly quick to get it ready for the next person. So what if it's end of life or super old and you're not going to replace it? So at that point, around the 30-day mark or so, what we would recommend is that you get rid of it. And here are some thoughts for you. At the end of the 30 days or so, you want to remove the hard drive and destroy that. And then the rest of the unit can actually be recycled. And there's some great recycling companies. Bonus point, some of the recycling companies will actually certify that they will destroy the hard drive for you. So that's a great win there. They'll just take care of it and give you a certificate that they've done that. So if you have computers turned off and they're sitting in a closet and you're not sure if you'll ever reuse them or not, we're asking that you don't. Probably they're end of life for a reason. They're definitely not up to date on security patches. They may actually be an end of life operating system and be a security risk in and of themselves. So don't just fire them back up. If you really think that it might be an okay computer to redeploy, we'd ask that you give us a call, and with an extra step or two, we can fire it up, take a look without the risk of it being on the network or otherwise connected with other machines. And then we'll just let you know. If it is end of life, we won't be able to support it for you, so we're going to recommend that you go ahead and recycle it. Hope that helps with a couple of the planning things. We're always available for a call if you want to talk through those options and how to make them happen. And for now, stay safe and have a great rest of your week.